Welcome to week 13 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin on 3 NFL picks, and I use those 3 NFL picks to make a parlay. I'll show my stats from week to week, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment. So if you want to make some NFL predictions and earn some free Bitcoin, please use the Ember app link that I put in the description. And so far on the year, I'm 31-17. I've won $192.76 and lost $74.80. My first pick is the Miami Dolphins over the New Orleans Saints. The Miami Dolphins have this thing where they'll either start really good and end really bad, or start really bad and end really good. And they generally beat up on really bad teams as this goes. So I'm pretty sure the Dolphins are going to take this game. My next pick is the Los Angeles Rams over the Carolina Panthers. The Carolina Panthers looked really bad on Monday night, and the Rams might be the best team in the NFC. I don't see this being close. And my last pick is the Los Angeles Chargers over the Las Vegas Raiders. Now, divisional games can be pretty close, but this is a home game for the Chargers, and the Raiders have looked really bad lately. So I think the Chargers pull this one out. And that makes my parlay the Miami Dolphins, Los Angeles Rams, and Los Angeles Chargers, betting 5,000 sats to earn 9,879. And I'll be back next week with more updated stats and new picks for everybody. See you then.